We'll guide you through how to change the country in the Amazon app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Amazon, and so you want to go and change the country. This is really convenient to do, because when you go and do this, you can also go and then access different languages on Amazon as well for that country. But perhaps you're going and staying in a different country and you need to go and use Amazon to go and order something. We can then go and update the country for that reason, or maybe you've gone and moved there. It doesn't matter, and you can always go and change it back to where you currently are as well. It's not like it's a permanent thing. So to go and get started with this, you come into the Amazon app. Now what we need to do is go down to the bottom row of options, and you want to go and find the user icon like this and go and tap there. So here you're going to see some different information like your orders. But for the country, what we need to do is go to the top right. You should see a flag there. I've got the United Kingdom flag, so we can go and tap there like so. And now you can go and see the different options we've got. At the top though, you've got country/regions. What you want to do is go and tap there, and you can then go and see the different options. So these are the different countries and regions available in English. You can scroll down though, and there are other options available in other languages as well. So I could go and set it to Canada, for example. And you can then go and see that I'll go and change the currency, and it will also go and we can choose the different languages available there as well. You can then go and press done, and Amazon is then going to go and be updated for that. It's that simple.